The best airplane manufacturing companies and countries are judged based on innovation, production quality, global market share, and technological advancement. Here's a quick breakdown. Top aircraft manufacturing companies in the world. 1. Airbus, country, France, European Union, HQ in Toulouse, France. Known for commercial aircraft like A320, A350, and A380, world's largest passenger plane. Strength: strong in Europe and Asia markets. Eco-friendly innovations. 2. Boeing, country, United States, known for 737, 777, 787 Dreamliner. Strength: largest US exporter, dominant in North and South America. 3. Embraer, country, Brazil, known for regional jets, E-Jet series. Strength: leading in regional aircraft segment. 4. Bombardier, country, Canada, known for business jets, Challenger, Global series. Note: sold commercial jet division to Airbus, now A220. 5. COMAC, Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China, country, China, known for C919, ARJ-1. Strength: growing rapidly, China's national champion in aviation. 6. Mitsubishi Aircraft Corporation, country, Japan, known for SpaceJet, formerly MRJ. Status: faced delays but shows advanced tech potential. Top countries for aircraft manufacturing. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.